KidsVision TV.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am drawing a minion. Let's draw with me. First I am drawing its eyes and its glasses.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Now I am drawing its dress and its arm. Let's draw the pocket. Let's draw the another side. Now I am drawing its leg and its shoes. Yellow color. First I am coloring its face and its body. I am coloring its arm. I am coloring the other side. Dark blue color. I am coloring its dress.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Coloring its leg. I am coloring the second leg. Now I am coloring its glasses, black color. It's time to color its shoes. It's time to color its eyes, brown color.
Subscribe us for more videos.